Okay, so I've just pulled up outside my favourite garden and I'm going to get out now, show you and tell you why. So that's it. So why is this my favourite? Well, it takes us 20 minutes, it's a strim and a mow, and I charge 20 quid for it. The guy's a really nice guy as well, so that always helps. So if you do one of these, it takes you 20 minutes. If you can get a garden like this and put it on the end of your round at the end of the day, only 20 minutes, that's an extra 20 quid, that's an extra 100 quid a week if you're doing 5 days. That's 400 quid a month just for an extra £20 on 20 minutes on top of your day. And some people turn their noses up at these types of gardens, it's not worth it, but this is what I love. I'd do these all day long if I could. So yeah, great little garden, this one.